How to show ruler in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word. Then click on View at the top, which is beside Review and Help. After you've clicked on View, you will find this kind of screen pop up. You will find Show option. In Show option, you will find Ruler at the top, which is above grid lines. Click on Ruler and make sure there's tick mark. After there is tick mark in Ruler, you will find Ruler in your Word. As you can see, my ruler just popped up. And this is how to show ruler in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.